Hundreds gathered in Mogadishu at the weekend. And they have one message for Al-Shabaab.
We, the Somali women, came here in large numbers with red ribbons on our head, carrying placards with one message. Never again will the Al-Shabaab hide in our midst and carry out attacks on Somali government officials and civilians.
The march is in response to a recent spate of Al-Shabaab attacks. At least 15 people died when the group targeted the Sahafi Hotel in Mogadishu. And at the weekend, gunmen targeted another member of parliament, Mohammed Ahmed Gurhan. Al-Shabaab has since claimed responsibility, and Gurhan has died.
We all came here for one reason: to pray for the victims of the Sahafi attack and to condemn it in the strongest term possible, the attacks on Somali officials and innocent civilians by the terrorists Al-Shabaab.
We must fight the Al-Shabaab and extinguish this threat once and for all. The Al-Shabaab is the enemy of Somali. They have killed our husbands, sons and daughters. Al-Shabaab, your time is over.
Somalia's president too wants those responsible for killing MPs brought to book. The message here in Mogadishu is clear: enough of Al-Shabaab and better protection for both civilians and government officials. Abdulaziz Bilo, CCTV, Mogadishu, Somalia.